हेलो एवरीवन फ्रेंड्स, आज की क्लास में हम एस टी कोल्ड्रिज के एमसीक्यूज़ की बात करने जा रहे हैं। सो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। व्हेन वाज कोल्ड्रिज बॉर्न? 1772. हु इज़ कंसिडर्ड द प्रीजेंटेटर ऑफ अमेरिकन ट्रांसेंडentalism? कोल्ड्रिज. व्हाट इज़ द मोस्ट पावरफुल ऑफ ह्यूमन सेंसेस अकॉर्डिंग टू कोल्ड्रिज? दैट इज इमेजिनेशन. हु रोट यूथ एंड एज? कोल्ड्रिज. व्हाट डिड कोल्ड्रिज राइट फॉर हिमसेल्फ इन द एपिटैफ? Beneath this sword a poet lies, or that which once was he. Who wrote the poem? Poem to Coleridge. Wordsworth. Coleridge helped to introduce ... philosophy to English culture. German idealist. Who wrote Adds to Reflection? Coleridge. Coleridge was an associate of Royal Society of Literature. When did Coleridge write The Rime of Ancient Mariner? 1797. Coleridge was poet, literary critic, philosopher, theologian. What was the middle name of Coleridge? Taylor. Who wrote The Nightingale? That was Coleridge. Coleridge himself calls his poem The Nightingale a conversation poem. What name was assumed by Coleridge when he joined army? Silas Tompkin Comberbatch. Which periodical was published by Coleridge? The Watchman. Coleridge was famous for his eyes. What color were they? Grey. Who wrote Rejection and Ode? Coleridge. In which poem Coleridge refers to my shaping spirit of imagination? Rejection and Ode. In the Rime of Ancient Mariner, what color was nightmare life in death's skin? White. Next है Coleridge married Sarah Fricker, who said the true opposite of poetry is not prose but science. Coleridge. How many poems did Coleridge contribute to lyrical ballads? 4. Table Talk is Coleridge's essay on Shakespeare. Coleridge's poem To a Friend is addressed to Charles Lamb. Most works of Coleridge are fragmentary because of his addiction to opium. By faith, Coleridge was Anglican. Coleridge also wrote a tragedy in 5 acts named Remorse. In the Rime of Ancient Mariner, how many crew were dead? 200. With whom did Coleridge devise a plan to create a Pantisocracy? Robert Sade. Who wrote the poem Monody? Coleridge. Which poem was written by Coleridge after his sister Anna died in 1791? Monody. Who called Coleridge the sage of Highgate? Carlyle. Who wrote the book Coleridge, The Damaged Archangel? Norman Freeman. Coleridge died of heart failure. Which college did Coleridge attend? Jesus College. Who wrote Fears in Solitude? Coleridge. What is Coleridge's poem Fears in Solitude? A narrative. In the Rime of Ancient Mariner, how many people came to rescue the mariner? 3. Where was Coleridge born? Devonshire. What was Coleridge's father? A vicar. Who said about Coleridge his face? Who said about Coleridge his face when he repeats his verses hath its ancient glory? Charles Lamb. Who introduced the words selfless aesthetic to English language? Coleridge. Who wrote Christabel? Coleridge. Into how many parts is Christabel divided? 2. What is the American transcendental philosopher who was much influenced by Coleridge? Who is the American transcendental philosopher who was much influenced by Coleridge? Ralph Waldo Emerson. With which famous writer Coleridge became friends within Christ's Hospital? Charles Lamb. Next है हमारा In the Rime of Ancient Mariner, whose body stood next to the mariner when sailing back home? The body of his brother's son. In which year Coleridge met poet William Wordsworth and his sister Dorothy, which later contributed romantic movement to the English literature? 1795. Who wrote Religious Musings? Coleridge. Who is called the great dreamers of dreams? Coleridge. Which magazine was edited by Coleridge with Sarah Hutchinson? The Friend. In what activity did Coleridge indulge when under the influence of opium? In what activity did Coleridge indulge while under the influence of opium? Endless walking. Coleridge contributed a poem to a volume to raise money for which ailing poet? Robert Burns. Who wrote Frost at Midnight? Coleridge. What was responsible for Coleridge's mental decline? His addiction to opium. Charles Lamb dedicated his Essays of Iliad to Coleridge. Coleridge's Ancient Mariner could be said to be suffering from an overwhelming feeling of guilt. Who called Coleridge logician, metaphysician, bard? Charles Lamb. Who wrote Biographia Literaria? Coleridge. Coleridge produced an extraordinary prose work also. It is known as Biographia Literaria. Coleridge wrote, "O lady, we receive but what we give." Who is the lady referred to in the line? Dorothy, Wordsworth's sister. Where did Coleridge die? Highgate. Besides Wordsworth, who is also known as the founder of Romantic movement? Coleridge. Who wrote Destiny of Nations? Coleridge. Coleridge calls his poem Destiny of Nations a vision. Coleridge ने अपनी पोएम द डेस्टिनी ऑफ नेशंस को अ विजन बुलाया है. How many parts are there in the rhyme of Ancient Mariner? 7. Both Coleridge and Wordsworth contributed to lyrical ballads. The special domain of Coleridge was supernaturalism. What was the name of Coleridge's son David Hartley Coleridge? In which work Coleridge introduced the term willing suspension of disbelief? Biographia Literaria. On what grounds was Coleridge dismissed from the military insanity? Coleridge was a lake poet. Yes, it is true. The name of Coleridge's father was John Coleridge. Coleridge's marriage started to fail when he fell in love with Sarah Hutchinson, Wordsworth's sister-in-law. Yes, it is also true. Who wrote Kubla Khan? Coleridge. In Kubla Khan, Coleridge dreams about a great ruler of Mongolia. कुबला खान ने कोलरिज ड्रीम देखते हैं ग्रेट रूलर का, उसका नाम क्या था? मंगोलिया था. हाउ मेनी स्पीकर्स आर देयर इन द पोएम द राइम ऑफ एंशिएंट मैरिनर? 3. कौन कौन से थे? द मैरिनर, द मार्जिनल ग्लॉस एंड कोलरिज हिमसेल्फ. व्हाट माउंटेन डिड द मेड सिंग ऑफ इन कुबला खान? माउंट एबोरा. कोलरिज बिलोंग टू द ग्रुप ऑफ ओल्डर रोमांटिक पोएट. Coleridge belonged to the group of older romantic poets. The phrase willing dispensation of disbelief is applied to Coleridge's poem on supernaturalism theme. Coleridge once said, "I have a smack of Hamlet myself." Why? Because he was melancholic by nature like Hamlet. Who wrote this line, "Tree bower, my prison"? Coleridge. The phrase suspension of disbelief is associated with Coleridge. What instrument did Abyssinian maid play in Kubla Khan? Dulcimer. Who convinced Coleridge to publish the incomplete Kubla Khan? Lord Byron. The rhyme of Ancient Mariner is a ballad. Who wrote France an Ode? Coleridge. How many lines are there in his poem Kubla Khan? 54. What influenced Coleridge's poem Kubla Khan? Opium Visions. Who wrote Ode to the Departing Year? Coleridge. Who wrote the book Coleridge Reads that inspired the poem Rime of the Ancient Mariner? Samuel Purchas. So friends, thank you so much. See you again.